In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar to efficiently organize your schedule, manage appointments, and stay connected. Google Calendar is a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with other Google services, making it an essential part of many people's daily routines. Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to Google. In the powerful search bar above, type in Google Calendar and hit enter. Now, look for the result that says Google Calendar, easier time management, appointments, and click on it to launch the calendar interface. Upon arriving at Google Calendar, you'll notice it's a well-organized platform filled with various options. To start creating a new entry, locate the Create button on the left-hand side and click on it. This is where the magic begins. After hitting Create, a menu will pop up with different options. Here, you'll want to click on Event to start detailing the occasion you're planning. Next, it's time to type in the details of your event. Whether it's a meeting, a birthday, or a reminder to take a break, you can personalize the event name to fit your needs. Google Calendar lets you choose between different types of entries, namely an event, task, or appointment schedule depending on the nature of the occasion. With the type selected, let's assign a date. Click on the date option provided and you'll see a mini calendar where you can easily choose the desired date. If you wish to set a specific time for your event, simply click on the time section. Specify both the start and end times to ensure that block is securely reserved. If your event spans different time zones or if you're traveling, click on Time Zone to make any necessary adjustments. Alternatively, you can use your local time zone if that suits you best. If collaboration is required, don't forget to add guests. By clicking on Add Guests, you can invite others to your event by entering their email addresses. Google Calendar even allows you to integrate Google Meet to facilitate seamless online meetings with your invitees. For events requiring a physical presence, such as a lunch or a seminar, the Add Location feature lets you specify exactly where it's happening. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to double-check everything before hitting Save. This final action will commit your event to the calendar, ensuring you are always reminded of your commitments. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Google Calendar. With practice, it becomes second nature to seamlessly integrate this tool into your daily routine to maximize productivity and manage time effortlessly. Thank you for joining today, and happy scheduling.